Hey, baby. You're pretty cute. Happy Halloween. Oh, you're pretty handsome yourself, fella. Yeah, I think we could make a good couple, honey. What do you think?
Boss! Boss!
God damn it! What is it? You're always interrupting when I'm busy!
But boss! But boss! General Garner just received another package.
Who's it from this time?
It's from Tanya. Tanya from Santa Ana.
Oh, sounds like you're busy with something. Maybe next time, honey.
No, wait!
Sorry, sweetie, but you're busy. Maybe next time.
No! Damn that General Gardner!
Hey guys, the Happy Cultivator here, Urban Gardener, and I just received a package from one of my favorite subscribers. So today I went to the post office and took a peek into my post office box, and what did I find but a package from Tanya Reeves. That's right, shout out to Tanya Reeves. Thank you very much, Tanya. I just cracked the package so it'd be easy to open, but I have not looked inside, so I'm really thrilled to see what's in here. So let's take a look. She told me that she made me something, which is really cool. So let's take a look in here. What did you make, Tanya? Oh, all right. And here we go. So I helped Tanya out a lot. She was asking me a lot of questions. As you guys know, that's what my channel's all about, is I'm here to help you help yourself, because that's what we do. So she made me a little card here, and she's taking a hug with her little jelly bean. That's awesome. So here, we'll hide Tanya's face just in case she doesn't want to be seen on camera, because, you know, even I don't want to be seen on camera. So there you guys go. That is Tanya hugging her little jelly bean, and it says, THC Urban Gardener, thank you. And look, she made a little construction paper marijuana leaf and everything. She's got it in a nice smart pot there, so pretty sweet. And this is a picture of her saying goodbye. See, we all love our little girls, you know, so pretty awesome, Tanya. Super stoked for you. So I wanted to show you guys that little card that she made for me. Now let's see what we got here. Put the card back in the box. And what did you make? Oh my goodness, Tanya. Oh my. Wow. This is... Aw, man, Tanya. Oh my... Tanya. This is awesome, dude. Super, super awesome. So you guys want to see what Tanya made? Check this out. I will be displaying this loud and proud. Check that out. Do you guys see that? THC Urban Gardener. Made completely out of fabric and stitching. And look, she even put a freaking gnome. Look at that. And the gnome, the gnome's got a badge too. That is so awesome. State Police. Nice. So that is what I received from Miss Tanya Reeves. That is so dope. So I am going to give you guys a close-up on this. I'm going to stick it in my chair, and I'm going to give you guys a nice close-up of this, because this is just too cool. There it is, guys. Check that out. That is so bomb. Look at that. She's got a little cannabis plant in the pot with the gnome and the 2 cannabis leaves on top. So awesome. Check it out, guys. I gotta give you guys the full zoom in. It's like 3D. Look at that. The plant's actually in the pot. Fucking awesome. I really like this, Tanya. I really appreciate this. You don't even know. So cool. And what's even cooler, Tanya, is you got something coming your way from the urban garden as well. So, happy Halloween, Tanya. Really awesome. Very proud to have you as one of my subscribers, and very happy to receive a gift that I know was truly made with love. And this is what the urban garden's about, guys. Right here. This is the stuff. This is the stuff that the urban garden's about. This is true love. This is true love of cannabis. This is true love of growing. And this is people sharing with people the truth of what we're supposed to be as human beings, and just being good people and enjoying life and enjoying each other's company and enjoying what God gave us, Jah gave us, because we need it. So we need more love, we need more understanding in the world. And Tanya, I gotta say, truly awesome. There is a note here that I will read after the video is over, but all I have to say, as our California winds that are causing all our wildfires blows my THC banner down, we'll leave that there. And with that, I want you guys to all keep happy, stay stoned, and urban garden, guys.